I want to make sure they understand who he got on his arm. You hear me?
Merry Christmas, baby. Sure did treat me nice.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Hairvivi. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also still Wigmas, so make sure you guys are checking the pinned comment down below to enter the giveaway. Now, before I show you guys how I installed this high quality glueless wig, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, today's video is brought to you by Hairvivi. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This should be a very simple throw on and go, because y'all know how Hairvivi be coming. Out the pack, ready to go. Before I get my wig on my head, that is an unintentional bar. Let me first cut off my tag. Now, wait a minute, where's my scissors? Who been in my office? Mama can't have nothing. I don't feel like getting up either, so let me just use my razor. But what I was saying, make sure you check over your wig. Make sure it is everything you want it to be before you cut this tag off. Once this tag comes off, it's your wig. This wig is plucked and bleached. It has a fake scalp. Mine is the Mocha color. I'm gonna keep my elastic band where it's at. That's something I've talked about ad nauseum with Hairvivi, as far as their band being a little more flimsy than I would like. Some people like their bands, you know, but for me personally, it's a little flimsy. But I'm not gonna harp on it too much. Who car alarm going off? Today is Ken's holiday party, and I wanna show up looking good for my man. You know, I'm a reflection of him when I go to these military functions. I wanna make sure they understand who he got on his arm. You hear me? I know he's sick of me, child. Tighten down my cap. I'm gonna tint my lace really quick using my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder, any color creamy bronze. Even though this is a good lace and the knots are bleached, you still need to tint your lace for your skin tone. Sometimes it's still just a little ashy. These brands cannot give everyone lace that matches them, but they do give you lace that is blendable. So I don't have to put any on the inside of the cap. I just had to do around the edge. I do have the adjustable straps in the back. I'm gonna leave mine on the first hook. Let's see, hopefully I can rock this wig glueless. This cap does come in two sizes, size 1 and size 2. Make sure you're checking the specifications to see which size will work for you. Another bar. I'm a modern day Willy Wonka in this piece. Their square hairlines be getting me, child, but I be working it out. I need my scissors. I can't believe this. My scissors in the daggone living room on the chair. Why? Bubba, I know it was you. What you doing in my office, sir? I'm doing this by faith and feel, right around the ear. I know I cut into that hair. I know I did. I felt it as soon as I hit it. Golly, put your glasses on. See this hairline, how it's looking? It gives that very heavy widow's peak. Let me use some of my wax stick, just push this hair back. That's a lot of forehead, goodness gracious. Is this the right razor? This is not the right razor. Let me throw this one away so I can stop grabbing the wrong yellow one. Y'all see that blendage though? Did not mean to cut that off. Dang it. Let me use my scissors. The invisible HD lace is working for your girl. 13 by 6.5 parting space, and that piano keys elastic band is holding this wig on for dear life. So the plan today is to wear this unit glueless. So I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse first. Let me just do a little around here like that. They did send me a brush, thank you. Brush down what I can use. And I'm literally just going around like this and cutting it a little bit shorter. Just to help break that up a bit, just to give me some edges. I don't want swoops. I want them to kind of be just placed on my hairline. I feel like I'm giving myself that newborn hairline they be doing. It's not really curly, but you know, it's doing something. I don't think they gave me a band last time. They definitely didn't give me one this time. Okay, so I'm just gonna use what I have. All right, let's get this wig styled up. This wig is supposed to be a loose curl. This one is definitely not giving loose curl. So we're gonna have to add some curls in this one. While I'm waiting for my curler to heat up, I'm gonna use my blow dryer on high and hot to flatten down my top right here. Oh, I didn't remind y'all that these wigs don't stink. Hairvivi said we not one of them, okay? Our wigs smell good. Most of the wigs for Hairvivi are not super thick and they are not textured. They're more silky. However, they do have a textured kinky straight unit that I tried recently, and y'all, that wig was nice. So if you like Hairvivi wigs, but you want a little bit more texture, go ahead and try that one out. So let's see if I can put the little curling it like a little wave like this. Wrap it to the back. I'm not going all the way down. Uh-oh, I pushed the button. And y'all, I finally found my daggone wand curl. I totally forgot it was in a travel bag that I had that I did not unpack all the way from August. So yeah, it was in there. Hairvivi is gonna do it every time with the color. So pretty. Hold it. Ooh, I'm about to show out at this party. You hear me? And you got to. When you're like one of a few, you gotta come stepping. We don't be playing over here. This is what washed legs and lotion look like. Period. Get this band off. Wait, glasses. Band. There you go. Use the excess from my foundation brush and just blend out my forehead. I think I can move my hairline down a little bit. Use my contour brush as well. I'm not putting it on the lace. I'm just blending out my forehead makeup. Okay, let's see if I can move this down. Brush those back. If some of the hair does not move back the way you need it to, just use a little gel. If you want your gel to be sticky and for it to have a stronger hold, especially for the Eco Styler gel, just leave it open a little bit. There we go. A little bit on the finger. Not a finger. It's time for my movies. Kind of rake it through with my fingers. Now it's looking like the website. I kind of want to have a little pin back, a little swirly right here in the front, and take it from under. Twist it, and twist it, and twist it. And then I'm gonna bobby pin it down, like that. I change out my glasses, and we are done. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. Listen, Hairvivi is gonna do it every single time. I used to be very like, anti-silky hair, but Hairvivi has turned me. I'm pretty sure they are the only ones who can get me to love a silky unit, because do y'all see this? Do y'all see the material? They come ready to slay every single time. Even though I cut too much off my hairline over here, my kinky edges somehow still blended naturally with this wig. Right here, that's me. But it's in conjunction with the wispies from the wig. If you don't have this mousse, it's a wrap mousse. Wrap them edges. I'm just here to help. You can tell the difference between a fast fashion wig and a high quality wig. Look at it. It looks expensive. The luster, the lace, the hairline, the bleach knots, the pre-pluckness, the color job. I literally have no complaints about this wig whatsoever. Now you may complain about the price point. If you want high quality, you're gonna pay that coin for that. But shop in your budget or his budget, whatever works. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Hairvivi for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.